Maintaining a clean pool is essential for a great swimming experience. Today, we'll show you step by step how to vacuum your pool using a sand filter. First, gather all the necessary equipment. Start with the pool vacuum head, which is essential for picking up debris from the pool floor. Next, grab a telescoping pole. This handy tool allows you to reach every corner of your pool without getting wet. Then, you'll need a vacuum hose. This connects the vacuum head to your pool's filtration system, ensuring all the dirt gets sucked away. Finally, make sure your sand filter is in good working condition. A well-maintained filter is crucial for keeping your pool water crystal clear. Attach the vacuum head to the telescoping pole and connect the vacuum hose to the vacuum head. Ensure all connections are secure. Submerge the vacuum head and hose into the pool to fill the hose with water. This process, known as priming, helps remove air from the hose, ensuring proper suction. Connect the other end of the vacuum hose to the skimmer's suction port. Make sure the hose is firmly attached for effective vacuuming. Turn off the pool pump and set the filter valve to waste. This setting will bypass the filter, sending debris directly out of the pool. Turn the pump back on and begin vacuuming the pool. Move the vacuum head slowly across the pool floor, overlapping each stroke to ensure thorough cleaning. For stubborn debris in corners or tight areas, take your time to ensure all debris is collected. Keep an eye on the pump's pressure gauge. If the pressure rises significantly, it may indicate the need to backwash the filter. Once the pool is clean, turn off the pump and reset the filter valve to filter. Restart the pump to resume normal filtration. Detach the vacuum equipment and store it properly. Rinse the vacuum head and hose with fresh water to prolong their lifespan. And there you have it. Your pool is now clean and ready for use. Regular vacuuming helps maintain water quality and ensures a pleasant swimming experience. Thanks for watching and happy swimming.